can these cheap parts make the MX-5 much better? Let's find out. So these are your door bushings, and so are these. So I'm going to be trying to replace these rubber door bushings with these 3D printed ones, which are made out of some sort of plastic. And let's see if it makes a difference to the ride quality and reduces some rattles. I got these door bushings from, well, I just got them 3D printed. You can get the files from online, and I'm going to put a link for the ones I use for these, so you can try this yourself. It's a very cheap mod, so I'm not sure if it's going to make a difference, but, well, what can you do? And this is 30 years old, and this is basically brand new. The difference is this is solid hard plastic, and this is rubber. So it should try to cancel out some rattling, because if you put them next to each other, this one is a bit bigger, so it might fill up the door pocket a bit better, while this one, well, has been worn down along the top and the bottom from where it's been rubbing against the door for the last 30 years. And this is the door cup where the bushing sits inside when the door is closed. The install is going to be very easy. You just need a screwdriver, and preferably one that fits. With this door bushing now removed, we can take these two screws out and put them into our new door bushing. So we have both door bushings out, so why not do a comparison? Here is the new door bushing, and here's the old one. With this old door bushing, if we place this in the car how it would be, you can see how much of a gap there is at the top. And I can put this in, and I can shake this up and down, and it's not giving support to the door. Which is why, this is why your door actually rattles sometimes, because the bushing isn't actually holding down the door, so it's just going up and down by itself. In comparison with this new door bushing, if I drop this in here, like how it would be, it fits so snugly that the door's not even letting go of it. It's very tough in there, which means no rattles, no shakes, and that the door would be actually structurally to the car, which would be less twisting for the chassis. And as this car is convertible, all of the structuralness in this car is on the floor pan, and there's nothing along the top. So having the doors being structural is going to be a massive upgrade. Now with these screws in the new door bushing, we just need to screw this in. So screwing it down, it would look like this, and you want to make sure that it's not too tight, so you can move it up and down so it can align to the door frame. So it's something like this, where it has a bit of play. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to be closing the door repeatedly, just to make sure the bushing's in the right place. Now that door bushing should be aligned correctly, we can tighten all the screws. Now to repeat the same process on that side of the car. And that's where it's the best fit, so I'm going to tighten these bolts up. And that is how much effort is to replace these bushings. And now we're going to copy what Mighty Car Mods does, and we're going to throw them in the bin! With the new bushings installed, I took it for a spin, and it drives exactly the same as before, but with less rattles and less clunking from the doors when they were joggling up and down. And so, yeah, definitely worth it. Do it if you can find some cheap bushings, or if you have a 3D printer, it won't cost too much. So I do recommend doing this. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe for more content. That'll be like just down below, and it tells me that you like this stuff. So see you in the next video.